Welcome to the ASSURiot Asset Manager, where you can track and manage all your high-value assets in one single application. On the Assets tab, you'll see a map with locations of your assets and tracking devices. Here, you can create a definitive record of your most valuable assets with an unlimited number of assets for every account. With each asset, you can catalog images, purchase receipts, valuations, insurance information, storage details, and more. Filling out this information is optional, so you can create assets quickly and come back later to add more details. From the Asset tab, you can click on an asset to access its asset card. Here, you can scroll down to view a device's ping history. Scroll down again to create a geofence alert. Select an existing geofence to receive an alert if your device leaves the predetermined location. If you don't already have a geofence or you'd like to add a new one, you can add the geofence through this asset card. Start with a geofence location and update it on the map. Then give it a name and select which geofence you'd like to use for the notification. Select your desired notification frequency and email preference, and create your notification. ASSURiot devices monitor your asset's temperature. Here you can set a temperature alert if your asset goes outside of a predetermined temperature window. Add your desired alert frequency and choose whether you want to have email notifications or only receive notifications in the application. Lastly, you can create a low battery alert to receive a notification when your device battery reaches a predetermined threshold. At the bottom of the asset card, you can create a recovery package to share vital asset information with authorities and aid in the recovery of your most valued assets. This is the ASSURiot Device tab. Here you can view and organize your ASSURiot devices. You can view device information, linked assets, and battery life. You can access ping history for up-to-date information about the device's location, temperature, and connectivity. The Alerts tab shows you all of your device's alerts. It is filterable by asset, alert types, alert status, and alert date. To mute notifications, click on an alert. Click the mute button in the bottom right corner and choose how long you'd like to mute notifications. From the Settings tab, you can access your account information and manage your subscription. Click Saved Locations to manage a list of your geofences. These geofences can be linked to assets and notify you if an asset moves outside its prescribed geofence. Access General App Settings and update your notification preferences. Feel free to reach out to ASSURiot customer service for any questions you may have. We hope you enjoy using the ASSURiot Asset Manager. You can now rest assured that your assets are safe, secure, and protected. Please feel free to reach out to our customer service team with any questions you may have.